So it's official. Nililigawan ko na si Miss B, guys. My answer is yes. You are the one I have been waiting for. Sleepless nights while listening to the whispers of butterflies in my stomach. My answer is yes. You are the one I have been waiting for.
Pwede bang manligaw sa'yo? Katie, o papa mo magmanliligaw daw sa akin? Court daw niya ako?
Dear Honorable Mr. B, I translated it. Tinranslate ko sa English. I am writing this letter to sincerely ask for your forgiveness because I was not given the chance to properly explain myself when I handed you my previous letter, which contained words that came straight from the depths of my heart. I also want to tell you that these past few days when we had the opportunity to talk again and to get to know each other better brought me the smiles that I hadn't felt in a very, very long time. Your kindness, compassion, and unwavering way that you care for our most beloved Katie are the things I deeply value. Your words reached not only my ears, but also the deepest corners of my heart. And now we come to the most important part of your letter, your question. Pwede na po ba kita ligawan?
Ready ka na magsabi?
Ready na ba ako?
Oo.
Yeah, ready ako. Pero iba pa rin yung klaro, bibigyan sila ng assurance, and siguro yung verbalize, hindi lang puro action. Kasi what if mabait lang talaga ako, di ba? And kailangan talaga klaro. So now's the time.
After careful reflection, soul-searching, and 2 sleepless nights while listening to the whispers of butterflies in my stomach, my answer is yes. You are the one I have been waiting for. You are the one I have been waiting for to once again knock on the door of my heart. Miss B. Alright, so it's official. Nililigawan ko na si Miss B, guys. I'm happy. Masaya ako. Grabe. Lately, iyak ako ng iyak. But this is masaya. Yeah. So, ayan, guys. Nasagot na yung tanong. Nakuha ko na yung matamis niyang oo. Miss B, thank you.
Yes!
She said yes.
Di ba?
Diba, pare?
Oh,